Hi, in this video we will see how to optimize the model for export to GLB and how to load it in My AR Studio. To decrease the weight of the GLB file that we will export, we will act on both the 3D model and the texture. Let's start with the latter by going to open it in Photoshop. Click on the Image Size menu. The texture is really too big, so we make it smaller by setting the image size to 2048 pixels. Click on the File Save As menu and save a new copy of the texture, this time in JPEG format to save more space. Let's go back to Blender. We load the new image in the texture node and check that everything's okay. Click on the Layout tab. By clicking on the wireframe mode, we see that the shoe has a very high number of polygons. Click on the Modifier tab and add a Decimate modifier. We see that the shoe is made up of nearly 145,000 polygons. We lowered the ratio value to decrease the number of polygons. Going to solid mode, we notice that we see the edges of the polygons. We click on the Object Shade Smooth menu to get a soft shading. Let's activate the rendering preview for a final check. Let's go to the File, Export, GLTF 2.0 menu. Let's open the Geometry panel and activate the Apply Modifiers option to export the simplified geometry. Let's give the file a meaningful name and click on Export GLTF 2.0. Let's go to My AR Studio and click the New Project icon. Let's drag the GLB file just exported into the window. We adjust the lighting to our liking. Let's create the poster. Let's give the project a name. And finally we publish it. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I remind you to subscribe to our channel not to lose any news. And I invite you to watch our videos for more information about My AR Studio.